A very good morning, students. Hope you are fine at home. Earlier, we have already discussed the topic right to our constitutions. Today, we will read 6 rights, the right to constitutional remedies and parts of writs. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32 confers the right to remedies for the enforcement of the fundamental rights of an aggrieved citizen. It is soil and heart of the Constitution. According to Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, Article 32 is the most important article of the Constitution, an article without which this Constitution would be nullity. The Supreme Court termed Article 32 as basic feature of the Constitution. Next, our topic is writ. General meaning: a formal order in writing issued under seal in the name of sovereign government, courts, or other authority, commanding an officer or other persons to whom it is issued to do or refrain from doing some act specified therein. The Supreme Court of India is alert guardian of fundamental rights of the citizens. It is a supreme custodian. Article 32 of the Constitution provides for rights. Similar jurisdiction is available to High Court under Article 22, Part 6. Actually, the jurisdiction of High Court to issue writ is more wide than that of Supreme Court. High Court can issue writ for the other purpose, along with fundamental rights, where Supreme Court can only issue writ for enforcement of fundamental rights. Next, we will discuss types of writs. As per Article 32 Part 2 and Article 226 Part 1 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court and the High Court can issue 5 types of writ. First, habeas corpus. Second, mandamus. Third, prohibition. Fourth, certiorari. Fifth, queranto. There are 5 types of writs in our constitutions. First writ is writ of habeas corpus. Habeas corpus means you may have the body. A person, when arrested, can move the court for the issue of habeas corpus. It is an order by a court to the detaining authority to produce the arrested person before it, so that it may examine whether the person has been detained lawfully or otherwise. If the court is convinced that the person is illegally detained, it can issue order for his release. Who can apply? General rule is that an application can be made by a person who is illegally detained, but in certain cases, an application of habeas corpus can be made by any person on behalf of the prisoner, that is, a friend or a relative. Writ of mandamus. Mandum is a Latin word which means it is a popularly known as stay order. This writ is issued when a lower court or a body tries to transgress the limits or power vested in it. It is a writ issued by a superior court to lower court or a tribunal forbidding it to perform an act outside its jurisdiction. After the issue of this writ, proceeding in the lower court, etc., come to a stop. This is a writ of prohibition. Next is writ of certiorari. Literally, certiorari means to be certified. The writ of certiorari is issued by the Supreme Court to some inferior court or tribunal to transfer the matter it to some other superior authority for proper consideration. This is a writ of certiorari. Queranto. The word queranto literally means on what authority one is holding the public office. It is a writ issued with the view restraining a person from acting in a public office to which is not entitled. Thanks. Have a nice day.